All right, guys, welcome back. It is January 18th, 2017. I am lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bowen, back with the most exciting release we've had to date. So it's like I mentioned, this is going to be the most amazing release of our history so far. I look back to last fall at what we've accomplished in just a couple months. It's borderline mind-blowing. It is really the most innovative and most rapidly advancing platform in stock trading. And this is just the beginning. I mean, I look up at the whiteboard and the things that we have planned are going to blow away what's even in this release. But that being said, some awesome, amazing stuff that I've been waiting years for. Other traders have been waiting years for, and it is exciting, exciting stuff. So, number one, full Twitter integration. So, we're not talking about scraping some website that has a bunch of cash tags on it. This is every tweet with a cash tag real time. So, I can bring up my full Twitter screener here, and this is literally every single tweet with a cash tag real-time streaming into my platform, which is awesome. You can get a gauge of sentiment of what's going on in the market, but it's also a boatload of information. So what have we done? This is what is so cool, and I love it, is now I can filter. So I typically trade lower price stocks with volume, more of a day trader. So I don't care about the Goldman Sachs or the oil ETFs, etc. So now I can now filter by stocks from 1 to 20 with, say, 500,000 shares of daily volume today. Then I can filter by percentage change, float, trades, all kinds of information. But just for this example, we can now filter. Now, boom, I'm only getting stocks $1 to $20 with volume, real-time streaming. So now, if I see a ticker that's interesting me, like say BNTC that's in play today, I can then hit that and bring up the total view window on that. Boom, right there. I double clicked it, which is actually slick. That takes you to the actual tweet. Single click takes you to the total view. Now I've got live information on BNTC, a stock in play today. Then the other nice thing is now, say if I am trading BNTC, I now have the Twitter feed only for BNTC. So it's so slick. I can filter the main fire hose of Twitter. I can find a ticker that's interesting to me. One click, I've got the chart, I've got the news, I've got the level 2, I've got everything, as well as specifically only the tweets related to that ticker. So it just makes it so slick to be able to do all these things quickly and with 1 or 2 clicks. So it really takes all of that information, makes it usable based on your criteria. Let me get back there. So then I can also take that and search for specific keywords. Say here is a nuclear uranium. So now if I'm interested in uranium stocks, I can now filter by that. I now only get matches based on the last several hundred tweets from the day that mention uranium. So not only can I filter by technicals such as price, volume, etc., I can drill down by the ticker, only get those tweets, and then I can also say, for instance, if uranium stocks were moving today, I can now filter by that keyword and only see mentions based on that criteria. That is awesome. I love it. I've been using it for months, and it really has helped my trading. And it's just the beginning. We've got a bunch of other stuff based on Twitter. We are bringing in the full Twitter feed, okay? Everything. So we have a bunch of big stuff planned based on Twitter integration. Next, we have, and this is just, again, kind of the big first step, is we have full paper trading now. So we have you can trade. We have a couple different widgets. Let me get there, and I will bring this up just for visibility's sake. So just for the live stream, I'm making it a little bigger so you can see. But again, on BNTC, I have a full order box. This is paper trading initially, but now we've got the entire infrastructure ready So coming in spring 2017, we will have full broker integration. So even if you want to test trades with paper trading, you can do that today as of January 18th. Coming in spring of 2017, you'll be able to link this back to your brokerage account or multiple brokerage accounts and buy straight from them. So standard order box, buy, sell, limits, bid, ask, etc. Standard order box, but it's slick. A lot of you have been waiting for paper trading, especially to test some of these riskier or new strategies. And what I love about it, it lays the integration for broker integration. That way now it's one more step closer to having one place for everything in my trading platform. Next, and there's more, we have Oracle. This is a great tool, especially for busy traders. If you only have time to perhaps show up at a little after 9 a.m. and you're like, holy crap, what are the momentum stocks of the day? What can I look to trade? Oracle is running on the back end of our servers every day, 24/7, and it is looking to build a list based on our proprietary algorithm of the most active stocks, well, potentially most active stocks. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but it does a great job of building you basically a list of the top potential longs and shorts of the day. So something like CLSN, it now builds that list, a stock that was in play today, or GVO was in play today. Then the nice thing is it gives you guidance based on whether it considers it a long or a short. Consider GVO a short, and then it gives you support and resistance levels based on the Fibonacci sequence that would let you potentially target entries and exits. Again, the nice thing about it is, obviously nothing's guaranteed in trading, but if you're busy or if you're new, it filters down the 16,000 tickers to a handful of them, gives you potential entries and exits, and whether or not is a long or a short. You can then go to that and then look to trade that. The nice thing is, if it's hitting a key support or resistance level, it also tells you how many times it has touched that level. So maybe you're looking to short GVO on a breakdown. You can see that basically 47 times today it has touched $4.21. So then I can hit that, go over to GVO, and let's see that it looks like it is trying to break down. So very slick for busy traders as well as new traders. Then those are our big three: Twitter, Oracle, and paper trading. We also have a bunch of enhancements, especially a user interface tweak that allows us to better handle some of the, maybe a slower piece of hardware that you're running the platform on, or if your internet connection is maybe a little spotty, maybe you're using public Wi-Fi. So we have improved the user interface refresh rate. You can look at the blog post for technicals on that, but it allows you the ability to kind of slow down the user interface. A lot like in gaming, like I don't know if any of you are gamers, but if you play the latest game and maybe you don't have the latest hotshot video card, you can slow the refresh rate down. So we give you that option. Maybe if you're, if you do have a little older hardware or a slower internet connection. Then totally rebuilt alerts system, super slick. I'll get into that more in future lessons, as well as new technicals. We refined VWAP, and we now have VWAP into the basics and the events, so you can now see real time if a stock is touching VWAP, even if you don't have your VWAP line on your chart, and then as well as parabolic SAR. Tons of other stuff. Again, read the blog post below, but so exciting. I mean, we've started off 2017 with a bang, and again, I look at our project list, and it's like we are just at the tip of the iceberg. So if you are already a customer, we appreciate your loyalty. And if you haven't checked us out yet, head over to StocksToTrade.com. We always have the $1 trial for 7 days. Check us out. Look at all this amazing stuff, and I think you'll be happy. Thanks a lot, guys.